You might think that these are toys or just some hobbies, but there are great business opportunities in them. Believe it or not, the idea of this enterprise actually began with a major project in Temasek Engineering School. To meet the ever-changing needs of the industry, Temasek Engineering School requires all students to complete a major project in their third and final year. Hi, I'm Edwin, and I'll be showing you the many benefits of the major project. The major project allows students to apply the knowledge they've learned to develop products and applications that have real engineering value. To achieve this, students have to work independently under their lecturer's supervision, and if their project is an industrial collaboration, there'll also be an industry supervisor to guide them.
At Temasek Engineering School, students can opt to take on any project in their preferred technological area, as there are many competency units that specialize in different technologies. There are also numerous laboratories equipped with high-tech facilities for them to conduct their research and build their projects. Students will start their projects by first consulting their project supervisors on the required technical specifications of their projects, the expected level of performance, and work schedule. They will then research and develop their projects on their own using the technical skills they have acquired during their course of study. If they encounter problems that they cannot solve, their project supervisors will step in to suggest possible solutions. The industry supervisors may also provide technical assistance if their projects require new technology.
The major project is not only a rewarding learning process, it may also help students get the job they want, or even bring out the entrepreneur in them. Some of our students and graduates will now share with you their major project experience.
Info Communications student Eileen Au and her classmates were tasked to develop a commercial healthcare project in collaboration with Philips Electronics for their major project. It involves setting up a centralized server and creating a bedside companion and a mobile physician. The bedside companion allows doctors to view patients' data such as their pulse, medical records, and weight changes. The mobile physician, on the other hand, allows doctors who are away from the hospital to monitor patients' condition. The whole project took 6 months to complete, but Eileen and her classmates were glad they had undertaken such a challenging task, as it allowed them to learn more than just new technology.
We pick up a lot of technical skills from the project, like how to transmit information from the server to the TV and the pocket PC. Besides that, we also pick up lifelong skills like time management, as we have to meet deadlines, and most importantly is the communication and teamwork skills.
When Yuan Rantong was attached to the Genome Institute of Singapore as an intern, he took on a major project that involved the electrophoresis of proteins, or sorting of proteins according to their responses to an electric field. Currently, he is involved in research in proteins yet again, but this time as a laboratory executive in the School of Biological Sciences in Nanyang Technological University. The laboratory in which Rantong works specializes in proteomics, which is the large-scale study of proteins, particularly their structures and functions. Rantong believes his major project has helped increase his employability profile.
If not for my major project, I would not got this job. Firstly, I would not have met my current supervisor, who was then my project supervisor's colleague, and it was he who offered me this job. Secondly, I learned a lot through doing the major projects. such as the theoretical knowledge of the properties of the proteins, as well as the practical know-how of how to conduct proper research in the life science laboratories. These aspects later became the prerequisites of my current job.
Robots, humanoids, and radio-controlled models. To understand how they work, one needs to have a good grounding in electronics, mechanical design, and systems integration. And that's what Clarence Tan and his classmates learned through designing and building robots for their major project to take part in the Singapore Robotic Games when they were at Temasek Engineering School. Along the way, they also discovered the market potential of robotic services and products. Upon graduation, they set up their own company in this field with a few other partners. Known as A Main Objectives, the company provides one-stop engineering solutions for educational robotics kits and radio control models. Besides retail, it also offers R&D and consultancy services in electronic and mechanical systems integration for different industries and has customized various robots for commercial use.
When we were building our robots for our major project, we realized that many of the parts we needed were not readily available. Items such as motors and controllers that could be bought were more suited for the industry use. They were either too large or required too many modifications.
When we talked to other participants of the Singapore Robotic Games, we found that they faced the same problem. That inspired us to start our own business to fulfill the market needs, and we are glad we had that brainwave.
So, the major project is not just about applying or acquiring technical skills. Students learn many other things along the way, such as working in a team and communicating with others. Skills which will be useful in the workplace as well as in life. I'm Edwin, wishing you all the best.